When I'm shooting my recipe videos, I normally require only a small amount of rice. I have this huge rice cooker because I have a family of 6. So I went online and bought this microwave rice cooker. When I was studying abroad and living alone, I used to use something similar. So I'm quite familiar with this gadget. This came in the mail, and the box was a little beat up. There's a rice pedal in my favorite orange color, a cover, a measuring cup. Now, a thing to note about this measuring cup. Rice measuring cups that comes with your rice cooker are typically smaller than your standard dry measuring cups. What I find unique about this product is this inner strainer that helps you strain the water when you're washing your rice. Now, let's take this for a test drive. I'm going to wash and cook 2 cups of rice here. You can wash the rice in the strainer or if you have been taught, like me, to wash your rice 3 times, you can wash your rice in the strainer in the pot and strain the water out this way. Now, the instruction says to use a rice to water ratio of 1:1.5. That is, 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water. I find this to be a bit too much. I normally use 1:1.2, which is 20% more water than rice. Here's a little trick I learned when I first started cooking staff meals in a restaurant. Add a pinch of salt into the rice for flavor, and a few drops of oil. The oil helps to keep the rice grains separate and whole. Give the pot a little shake to even out the rice. So here's the trial and error bit. The instruction says to cook the rice for about 12 minutes. This depends on how powerful your microwave is. For these 2 cups of rice, I would microwave it on high for 15 minutes. According to the instructions, you can use the rice pedal as a handle, but you cannot. It gets kind of difficult to lift the cover when the rice is still hot. Fluff up the rice after cooking. And here you have perfectly cooked rice with a little added flavor from the salt, and the oil has kept each individual grain of rice separate. So, in conclusion, I think that this is a great little rice cooker if you're cooking for 1 or 2. It produces good consistent results as long as you dial in your microwave settings correctly.